Alright, good morning guys. Today we're going to switch it up a little bit. I'm going to be going fishing with my good buddy Nate. Most of you guys don't know, but I've been fishing for probably my whole life, and it's probably one of my strong sets. So we're going to go just have a day around Murrieta and just go drive around and hit some ponds. So it should make for a pretty good video. But I'm going to go pick him up right now, and then I will get back to you guys as soon as possible. Alright, so we made it to Pond Park. It's probably like the shittiest freaking fishing hole that's in this town, but it's kind of like our last chance, I guess. We couldn't go anywhere else, but we're gonna see if we can get anything here. But I probably wouldn't count on it. There's a lot of people and it gets fished like super heavy every day, so we're gonna see what we can do. I'm gonna put this camera down. I'm gonna switch to the GoPro right now, so you guys will see that pretty much the rest of the time unless I pick up the big camera for something. But I'm supposed to GoPro right now, so.
A lot of fry right here. These are all bluegill fry right?
Yeah. Is he on this side or on this side?
He like mixes both sides.
Yeah, that's what he's doing. It's the same one. Oh, there's a bigger one. Right there.
You see him? He swam up on it quick.
Yeah. See, I'm using straight braid right now. I'm gonna have to throw a leader on.
Ooh, for fish.
Sick. Giant. Trying to get this fish to bite. He's just chilling in these weeds. I see him, he's right there. Just does not want anything. He doesn't want to have anything to do with this bait. It's so hard to catch fish here because people fish this pond every single day. So these fish see a lot of the same baits, so they pretty much just shut down. They don't want to eat anything. Can't even swipe at it. I'm gonna pitch in a craw to him real quick. See if this little beaver is gonna do anything. Probably won't, but we'll give it a shot. Oh, yep, that would help. My braid wasn't wrapped around the eye. That helped. Couple nice ones in this little pocket right here. Let's see if they want to eat. Oh, there's a real nice one over there. Really nice one. There's a bunch of babies right here though, so I'm gonna see if I can get one of them to bite. Oh, had one of them bite. Alright, well, that looks promising. We'll see if we can get another one. Oh, he bit it and spit it out. Alright, well, keep trying. Let's see what this big one wants to do over here. He might spook. Yeah, he's spooking. Alright, well.
In there. See him?
Yeah.
I was working him, but I couldn't get him. But I didn't work him for very long because I was catching fish.
They're not even looking at this shit. They're spooking from this. They're not even spooking from the swim bait, which doesn't make sense.
Because the swim bait's more natural. And there's a lot of bluegill eating their fry rods.
I'm ready to freaking hit up a new spot. This place is terrible. This place used to be good a few years ago, but now it's just picky fishing. Well, I'm gonna quit fishing forever because I obviously haven't caught anything, and Nate is kicking my ass right now. So I don't know if we're gonna be going to a different spot. I think we are, but all I know is this place is terrible, and I don't catch fish here anymore because it's so overfished. But all I know is I haven't caught shit today, so I'm just gonna stop fishing forever. If you guys want my channel, just ask me for it and I'll probably just give it to you for free. So alright, so I'm gonna get some food now. I still didn't catch anything. This little bitch caught like 4. But yeah, I'm probably just gonna quit. So yeah, makes sense. So. But I'll see you guys when I get some food wherever I end up. Alright, so we're at Lake Harvesting now. We're gonna go see if we can catch anything and, you know, change the bite up a little bit. But I'm gonna go switch to GoPro again right now. So I'm gonna leave this in the car. It's huge. It's a lot bigger lake, so I'm not gonna want to walk around with it. So. Alright, so we're at a new lake now. See what we can do with this this place.
Do me a favor?
Yeah.
Can you keep it on that side of the little tree just so in case something comes in, I don't wrap up your line?
Oh yeah, that's my bad.
Okay, thanks, man.
This rod's so whippy. It's a 6.6. Nate, go this way. Go this way. Because that's all fenced off right there. You can't get around that way. Bro, there's 6 of them right here. Look. There's 4. Oh yeah, there was a dark one in there. It's the same shit. A bass. That's sitting right here on this rock. He's being tough too, so see if he wants this jig, because he's still sticking around. Well, I don't know if it's a bed, but he's chilling right here. He keeps coming back. It's about 1.5 pounds, 2 pounder. He was like right here on the front of the rock. He didn't like this Cinco either. Alright, so this fish is still being super finicky with me. I'm gonna see if this little Ned rig will get him. It's just gonna sit in front of his face. He doesn't seem to be spooking too bad, so he might be locked onto a bed. But I'm just gonna give this a go. I'm gonna work him for a minute, see if he'll take it. If not, I might move on. But we'll see how this goes. I think he bit it. I think he bit the tail a little bit, so he might be a little bit interested in this. Oh, he hit it again. I think he wants this. I'm just gonna keep working him with it. Thank God. He came back for it. He was definitely on a bed. Oh my God. I did it, guys. I caught one. Did you catch any? No, bitch! Okay, no. We're on to the next spot. We're gonna go to the duck pond. And then that's not looking good. We're gonna leave. But we're gonna get some food again. Oh God. Alright, so we made it to our new spot. We did not go to the duck pond. The duck pond's kind of shitty. But we're at the Temecula Creek. This creek runs pretty far, and usually this is a pretty good spot, but since we've been getting a lot of rain lately, the water kind of got really murky. So we're gonna go check it out, see what we can't do here, and then if it's too bad, we're probably just gonna, you know, dip out and then end the day on the last lake we were at. But yeah, so I will keep you guys updated on what goes on. My GoPro died, or it didn't die, but it ran out of memory, so I can't film with that, so I'm gonna bring the big camera with me. So let's go see what we can't do. Are you excited?
Yes, sir.
Are you gonna catch anything or no? Probably not.
Probably not.
No, I'm kidding. Shut the f up. God damn. Alright, we'll see you guys later. So I came back to the car to grab some stuff real quick, but I'm gonna leave the big camera in here because it's kind of sketchy to walking down there with like all the rocks and stuff. So if I catch anything, I'm gonna vlog it off my phone. Oh, go. Yeah, boy. Oh. How do you feel?
God.
Ow. That's nowhere near a pound and a half.
I thought it was a pound and a half.
Not even a pounder. It's like,
that is a bed though.
It's like a maybe 10 or 11 ounces.
He is.
So my dude decides to jump in some quicksand today. Yeah, now his shoes are trashed. And we're gonna play some disc golf now. So I'm gonna close it out for right now, but I'll see if I can make a video out of today. It was kind of tough fishing wise, but I'll see what I can do with close it.
How do I close it?
You hit the camera. Alright guys, so as you saw, I only managed to get a couple fish on film. The fishing here in my town especially is kind of tough because there's only a handful of spots you can go to, and those spots are usually overfished almost every single day, so it's really hard to catch some of those fish sometimes. So we did our best what we could do. I mean, I got one good one, Nate got a small one on film, but this is kind of like the first test run of an actual like fishing vlog that I'm gonna try out. I'm definitely gonna try them a lot more down the road, but I had nothing else to film, so I kind of threw this together. But I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you want more videos like this, please drop a comment and let me know what you liked and what you didn't like. Yeah, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, and I will see you guys next time.